Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to work with deposits from $1 only, and of course how to see best entry point and how to deal with the market structure. So guys, look, I have just only $1 on my balance, and this will be a real challenge for me. I like making such challenges, and let's get started. So lots of currency pairs over there. I want to open my first trade, and I see a great entry point when the candle reached this middle line of Bollinger Bands corridors. So I can't miss this opportunity, guys. And here be ready for a put option. Guys, that's amazing! Good start of this trading session. And what about my indicators? I just want to show you the settings. Look at Bollinger Bands indicator. It has 20 period and 2 for deviation. So take screenshots of my special settings. It's very important. And yes, with these settings, we are keep going and earn money same in this currency pair. I pretty like the situation, and that's why I can double my deposit. So I put here $2 in my investment, and as I had a pretty nice profit in the previous trade, I will double my investment, and I hope that this trade will be again profitable. So from this point, be ready for put option right now. So the trend keeps going down direction. Can you see that with zoom out of this picture, we would notice the same pattern. So candles rolls allow the middle line of Bollinger Bands corridor, and the same situation is happening over there. And I think it's a perfect tools. I mean, Bollinger Bands and RSI indicators just to see the right signal, especially if you have small deposit. And you can start from any balance you have. For example, today I started just from $1, and I will show you how to overclock this deposit with this strategy. Our second currency pair, euro in Great Britain pound, and by the way guys, I'm so lucky to make this live trading session with you, to make these streams. And by the way, speaking about live trading session yesterday, I made an excellent trading session with my subscribers, and I'm really so happy for those of you who managed to earn really nice sums yesterday, and still if you didn't use this opportunity to trade with me in live, so still had in this opportunity. So follow the link below this video, and you will get access to my community. So well, what about the situation? To be honest, the flatline doesn't appeal to me at all. It's terrible, and when you see such situation, just keep it to that, because it's not the best situation for earning money. And well, third currency, euro Japanese yen. Today we have lots of currency pairs. The choice is great, and yes, this one is more better because from this support level the price is rebounding and is going in up direction. So this price meets the key level, and that's why I think it will be great to enter the market with my $4. Yes, my balance is so small, but with each step I'm going to make my investment bigger, and here be ready for put option. So amazing result. As you see, the price continue falling down, and the price has stopped at this level. You see the support level when the price meets it, and this fall has stopped a little bit. The price rebounded a little bit in up direction, and it just was a small pullback, but now the price is going down direction again, and really nice bunch of candles and flatline here. But I can't keep going trading because this chart needs some time to confirm the signals, guys. And now let's go to my third currency, US dollar and Japanese yen. And as you see, I select 3 currency pairs usually, but today I decided to choose 5 currency pairs with a great percentage of payout. And here I see again good signals. So can you see that these 2 currency pairs are almost similar because both of them include Japanese yen? And yes, this is a trick that you can use some in your strategies, because there is always a correlation between assets that has the same currency pair in it. And we can assume that from this chart, when the price is going in that direction up to the middle line, can you see it here in Japanese yen? The same picture can be here, the same scenario can be played, but there is a flat line over there, and in the US dollar Japanese yen the price is growing a little bit. So well, we can use this knowledge and make a cool trade with $7 in our investment, and from this point be ready for put option right now. So well, that's perfect, of course. I'm on a profit. You know why? Because this is a period of correction, and on the small price changes we are gaining our profit. Yes, that's a strategy. That's why perfect scalping as well as many traders who are trading on 1 minute time frame, and I recommend to do the same. So yes, this is a binary options where it's possible to overclock even your small deposit, guys. So let's move on. Great Britain pound and US dollar. What we can find here? We have already been trading with the US dollar, and it was our first currency pair that also includes in the US dollar. And I pretty like the situation. I like when the price is trading between supply and demand zones that can be profitable for us. So if we definitely put here $13, already 13 of yes, not one. So be ready for call option right now. That's amazing, guys. As you see again, I reached this profit. You know why? Because the price here is trading between these two levels. Well, to be more clear, I just want to draw the situation, and as you see, this is supply zone from which the price couldn't go higher. And this is the kind of resistance level to support the price, and from this level the price is reversed many times, and this is our support level that support the price, and from this level the price is always rebounding in up direction. Here we're dealing with this situation, and I think I can continue dealing with this situation more and more times. So let me open here one more trade. This is a perfect situation. When you see the situation, you can try trading between the supply and demand zones also. And I'm ready to increase my investment here up to $22. And from this point, be ready for call option right now. Oh well, that was pretty risky. You see, the price had the potential to move on in that direction, but now the price has stopped a little bit. The graph of the price has stopped a little bit, and now the price is trading the same level. So for the whole minute the price was at the same level, which was risky enough. And by the way, here I have a question. What's happening with euro and US dollar? Because euro and US dollar includes the same currency pair. Both of pairs include the US dollar. Well, perfect. Here the situation is a little bit similar. The price starts again, fall from this point. The price has stopped at this level, and I want to take my profit from this. So $22 from in my investment, and be ready for put option right now. Brilliant, guys. Can you see here? This time it's not a return, this is a profit. But being a trader, you have to be ready for moments where you can lose your money. And yes, it's a pretty risky way to earn money, but it's a perfect way to earn money because binary options allows you to do this. For example, from $1, okay, $1, I already made $43, and with this money my earnings will be much faster. So here I want to make one more trade, either price at the middle line of bollinger, and here I would put here $40 already, and from this point be ready for call option. Just for a minute I made a profit, and I really like this. As you see, the price has grown from this moment, and I really don't like the gap between this candle and the previous one. That means that the price has moved to the high level too fastly, but that's not the problem. I really like this currency pair. Maybe I would do one more trade here again. As you see, the price is still growing up to the high band of the Bollinger Bands corridor, and this time I want to reinvest the money that I earn here. So $75 in my investment box, and from this point be ready for put option right now. That's perfect, guys. And that was so predictable. You know why? You know why? Because again, if we zoom out this picture, we will see supply and demand zones for these local candles, for the bunch of candles. And yes, now on the key levels, understanding the market structure is the key to successful trading and to profit. So if you haven't tried trading with market structure strategy, I really recommend to do this. I also use Bollinger Bands indicator and RSI just to see the signals. And yes, let's pay attention to RSI indicator. Let's get back to euro and Japanese yen and let's see how RSI can help us in this strategy. So well, in this situation, RSI is not so informative for us because it's inside of the 17-30 minutes, but maybe we can switch to bigger time frames. So 5 minutes time frame, for example. By the way, very unique candle. You see unique candle with long wicks. So the price was moving up to this level, from this level just in 1 minute, and that's incredible, just in 5 minutes. So well, but what we can say about RSI indicator when RSI is in the oversold area and has crossed the oversold area in that direction, it was a definite signal for us that the price would go lower. That's exactly what's happening. You see, after this intersection, the price is going in down direction, but that's 5 minutes time frame. I have to go in 1 minute time frame as I prefer opening trades for 1 minute only, and this could be pattern continuation of the bullish movement of the price, as well as it could be a reversal pattern. But I would see which is rising verge will be broken by this moment of the price, or it will continue falling down. So let's see, but I already see that the candles are outside this Bollinger Bands territory and I will get actions here. I will take actions here with $140 in my investment. And you ready for call option? Right now. Guys, that's astonishing. You know why? Because as I see, the price is breaking this level. Firstly, this level is already broken, and here the price growth can stop a little bit. But if it grows, it means that this is upward movement of the price is pretty strong. And on looking at this 5 minutes chart, for example, we can assume that this is a wedge, If it's breaking, that means that this bullish market will continue growing. So pretty interesting. I think we can keep trading here on 1 minute time frame, and let me do here one more trade. I like the situation. So I put here $250, I'm sorry. And by the way, right now I discussed with you a pattern. And if you want to know more about patterns, you know what to do. Just follow my community of traders. The link will be in the description under this video. The price has already fallen a little bit, and yes, that's my chance. Here, be ready for put option right now. This was unprecedented. You see, the price has fallen early from my entry point, and that was pretty predictable because in general the price is trading between supply and demand zones, and this level wasn't broken right now, but it could be broken. But still the price is trading in the period of correction. I can't miss this opportunity, of course. I will do here one more trade. If you find some situation where it was great, it's great to analyze when you understand how the market is changing and where you can predict the price movements. Really just keep trading there. I will put here $470 and I'm pretty sure about the signals. My signals are also confident and has up to 90% of accuracy. So be ready for put option. Well, again, this fall the price continuing. That's great. You see, up to this level the price has already fallen, and that's amazing. Right now the price is at the middle line of Japan's corridor, and I'm really so interested what's happening with US dollar and Japanese yen, because this currency had a same currency in it. So guys, let's switch on to this currency pair and let's see what's happening. But unfortunately, the situation here is not so bright. But the situation we can assume that the price would go lower and lower, and this level 1 broken, like I assume that's okay. The market is always changing. My assumptions are just my assumptions, yeah, and your expectations are just your expectations, guys. Well, I can get back to my foreign currency pair, euro and Japanese yen. What I have here, I think it's better for me to keep trading with this currency pair. It's better than this one. Yes, euro and Japanese yen, what we are having here. So let's deal with this situation, especially when I see this green candle over there. And I will trade here with $850, and from this point, guys, be ready for call option right now. Wow, that's crazy, and this is perfect. Look at this profit. The trade was profitable enough, and this currency pair, euro and Japanese yen, that here the price is trading between these two levels, between supply and demand zones. And I know that how the price could behave itself. So from this point, I think I can make one more trade, but not with the currency pair. Let's check the first one, euro and US dollar. So what's happening with the first currency pair? The price here is falling down, and I think, yes, situation will be the best where I can invest $1,000. And guys, that's crazy. I made all this money from $1, guys. $1, and I think it will be my last trade when I just will fix it all my profit. So from this point, be ready for put option right now. Well, and this is perfect, and we see 5 currency pairs, just 13 minutes, $1 of initial deposit, and $2,500 is super perfect. Guys, I think it's fantastic. So friends, if you want to have the same results, you know what to do. Just go to my Telegram channel where I post both features and tools, useful tips for own profitable trades. And of course there we can discuss latest news about crypto world and of course the market structure. I'm waiting there, and the link will be in the description under this video. Guys, I wish you only good luck, stay always in profit, and bye bye.